So in this video, we're going to talk about the top sweatshirt colors that you should be selling now. I missed out on thousands of dollars my first 2 years on Etsy from this one simple mistake, and that was not selling sweatshirts. I made my entire shop t-shirts. I had so many bestsellers from these t-shirts. If I just simply took those best-selling designs and listed them on sweatshirts, I would have had double, triple, quadruple the money. Because the crazy part is sweatshirts are my biggest sellers now year round, not even just in the holiday winter season. Year round, my sweatshirts sell more than the t-shirts. I could not believe it when I simply made that switch. When I said, if this design's selling good on a t-shirt, it probably would sell well on a sweatshirt. And I tried it, and right away, those sweatshirts became bestsellers too. So crazy, right? But the thing is with sweatshirts is different times of year, there's different colors that are going to be bestsellers. So that's why I'm making this video right now, is one, to remind you, if you don't have sweatshirts in your shop, you need to get them in your shop. You don't have to put up every single sweatshirt color listing in your Etsy shop. I'm going to tell you the top 3 here so you can limit it to those, but I'm telling you, you will increase your sales by doing this. Like, just go through your shop, find all your best-selling designs that are on t-shirts, take those designs, put them on sweatshirts, list them now, and you will start making sales. And sweatshirts sell the most. I said they sell year round, but they sell the most this time of year because we're in the fall, winter, holiday season. A lot of people are searching and buying sweatshirts right now. So if you're watching this, it's like October right now. So if you're watching this, perfect time to be watching this video and to take action today. And if you're still watching, can you please in the comments type good morning, because it's morning here in Greece. And this is my favorite beach on the planet Earth. Look at this. Is that not insane? So anyways, type good morning in the comment section below. And because 1, this lets me know that you're still watching, and 2, this helps boost the engagement on this video. Thank you. Let's jump into Etsy. I'm going to show you some examples, and then I'm going to show you my favorite sweatshirt brand and colors within Printify. Let's jump into it. All right, so let's take a look at what's actually trending on Etsy right now for fall and winter. So what I did was I came to Etsy, and in the search, I simply typed in fall sweatshirt, and we're gonna start browsing through the best sellers. And a little trick, if you don't know already, is you are going to come up to star seller right here. If you don't have this option, you can come here to show filters, and then you can come down to Etsy's best, and then you're going to choose star seller here. And then up at the URL where it says star, you are going to erase that and substitute it with the word best and hit return. So now what we can see is a lot of the popular now or bestseller listings for the keyword fall sweatshirt. So I'm gonna jump right into it though, and I'm gonna tell you that if you start browsing through some of the bestsellers, you will start seeing the same few colors over and over again. The main ones being sand, military green, and dark chocolate. These are all from the Gildan 18,000, which is definitely one of the most popular sweatshirt options for print-on-demand sellers right now. Between the Gildan 18,000 and the Comfort Color sweatshirts, those are both huge best-selling brands. So let's start with the sand here, because this one's always a hit. This one has been selling for me for years. It's clean, it has a neutral vibe that looks good with almost any design, and it's perfect for minimalist and even holiday styles. So this one's super simple. It's just a black font on it, and it's had a total of 270 sales. Here's an example of a holiday style on the sand color. Again, these types of designs do really well. And this one here has had a total of 876 sales. If you're wondering how I'm seeing these stats, I am using my EVERBEE Research Chrome Extension, and you can try this out for free with the link in the description below. Then we have Military Green, and this one does really well every fall. It's earthy and cozy, and also it works both for men and women. This one, for example, has 394 total sales. Here's another example of the military green, and I wanted to point out that the military green pairs really nicely with white or cream designs. Also, take a look, it just says thankful. This goes along with how I always say that simple sells. And wow, this one has a total of 1,132 sales. And then we have dark chocolate, and this color is having a serious moment. So it's rich and it's warm and it fits perfectly with that vintage or aesthetic look. And buyers are literally obsessed with this color right now. This example, it's only been up for 2 months and it's already had 37 sales. And this isn't just for the fall niche, guys. These colors are selling across the board right now in all different niches, but I just wanted to show you specifically the fall niche because that's where we're at right now. Now, of course, other colors still sell all year, but if you want your shop to pop off this fall and winter season, make sure you are showcasing those 3 colors in your product images. That's what the buyers are clicking on right now. Now let me show you where you can find these on Printify. So as you know, Printify is who I use to print, package, and ship all of my print-on-demand products for the past 5 years. If you are not signed up with them, you can easily do so with the link in my description below. But we're gonna simply come over here to Catalog, and we are going to go to sweatshirts right here. Now, like I said earlier, the top selling t-shirt brands is Comfort Colors and Gildan 18,000. Gildan 18,000 is my go-to sweatshirt brand, and Gildan 18,000 is the brand that has those 3 colors that we just discussed. So let's click into here. Also, by the way, a huge plus that Printify has to offer is embroidery. If you pair embroidery with military green, sand, or dark chocolate, you are going to pop off. But let's go into start designing so I can show you these colors. All right, so we're gonna come up here to edit tools, and this is where you will pick your colors. So it's only on white right now, but if we choose select variants, all of the colors are going to appear. And I do have another video about my top sweatshirt colors in general. I will link that in the description below. I talk about the top colors that sell all year round. But remember, this video is specifically about the top colors that are going to sell this fall and winter. So right here we have the dark chocolate. Let's take a look. Let's preview this here. I want to show you how rich this looks. Amazing. This is huge across the board, like I said, in all different niches. This is kind of a new color as well that's been added to their catalog. So it's a great way to stand out on Etsy because not that many sellers have jumped on selling this color just yet. So dark chocolate, if any of the colors that we discussed today, I would say dark chocolate would be my first one that I would be adding my designs to. All right, now let's see. Here is the sand color. This has been a huge seller for me for 5 years now. And I remember when sand was new and it was so popular when it first came out that I remember it was like my first Thanksgiving and Christmas season that I was selling, and it went out of stock and I was like, oh no, what am I gonna do? But you know, and I had to look for the different print providers that offered it, and like everybody wanted this color. That's how I feel like it's gonna be with the dark chocolate this year. However, Printify has really learned, because the past few years I have not had any issues with out of stock products. So thank you, Printify, because that can be really stressful during the holiday season, but I haven't really had any issues with colors going out of stock. Now, and then the final one is right here, military green. Let's preview this. Look at that. I love that. And again, this is really great for both men and women. All of them are, but the military green specifically. I know this is my husband's favorite color. And the great thing about Printify is that they make it super easy to customize and connect your Etsy shop or connect it to any of these platforms so that you can start selling right away. But yeah, if you are updating your fall or winter collection, definitely start by adding those trending colors. They are going to be your best sellers by far. There you have it. Those are the top sweatshirt colors that you should be listing in your Etsy shop right now. Trust me, I promise you, please come back to this video and let me know that you're making more sales because you're listing sweatshirts, especially in these colors. I promise you, you're gonna have an amazing holiday season where your sales have increased because of sweatshirts. If you got something out of this video, please give me a like, subscribe for more content like this, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Also, if you feel like your shop should be making more sales than it is right now, there might just be a few tweaks that you need to make to your shop or to your listings. And it's important to do these things before the Q4 season so that you can make those extra sales. Make sure that your shop is up and running properly. I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you would like to sign up for a shop review. I will take a look at your shop. I will show you the things that you are doing right, the things that you are not doing right, and how you can fix those things so that you can be up and running for this holiday season. Now, of course, there are more details to starting this business. So I've provided a free tutorial in my description below, a free course that's going to hold your hand step by step through this whole process so that you can get your shop up and running as soon as today.